What is going on, everybody? It is Tripittz. I'm just giving a quick little update on what is happening with the channel at the moment. There's going to be a lot more uploads, a lot more frequently, a lot more Clash of Clans videos, FIFA videos. If you guys have any ideas, put them in the comments. I will play them, even if it's Dora. Alright, so today's video though, today's just a quick little speed build of a Th8 base that I've not come up with. I've seen similar designs, but not ones including the air sweeper, which I think it needs to be in there now. So here it is. Without further ado, let's get into this.
Blue road, half a mile, distant wing of a missing smile.